Good morning. Welcome to Gutterworks Manufacturing, Inc. You can find us at www.gutterworks.com. Today we're showing you our inline rain barrel diverter system. The system comes with a rain barrel diverter, an A elbow that you'll see there fastened with the screw, and a B offset, which then connects to the remaining portion of your downspout, connecting to our tile adapter, which we also sell at www.gutterworks.com. The diverter is currently set in the winter position, running water down and out away from our home. We now place our rain barrel into its position for summertime. We need to flip the lever to the summer position, which will then start filling our rain barrel full of water. Enjoy your day, and again, find us at www.gutterworks.com.